Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I have a Nissan Micra on the lift and I'm replacing the starter motor in this. Now I've managed to remove the starter motor after I've confirmed it's not working and all that. So I managed to remove it with the lift. I thought it'd be a lot easier, but it's still as awkward. So I know most people in their home garages do it from the front, and often you have to remove the intake manifold, the plastic one. But I'm going to try and prove you, or at least help you understand how it's mounted on there. And so my theory is it can be removed without removing anything else other than the battery. So what I've done here is, as you can see, the battery is removed, the terminals are sort of on the side, and before I show you the actual mounts there, I have the starter from the actual bad card I removed, and I understand how it's mounted. So roughly the location is roughly around here, actually in the back, just under the engine, somewhere there. Now it's mounted onto the, I think, the bell housing or whatever it is of the engine. There's a screw going in, 14mm, and then there is a hex screw then coming this way, 14mm as well. So a small one here and a long one here. Where obviously I'll show you this one here now under the car if I can actually. So it's just below this pipe there, this guy here basically, that one. So that's the long one, and the small one is about that side over there. Now coming on to the connectors, then there's two connectors that you need to remove. There's a big positive one, there will be a rubber boot on it that you need to sort of pull out and remove the 13mm from this. And then there's a small one at the sort of the back, which is a negative. It's 10mm, and you don't need to move this guy, I think, right? So that's how it's put on there, and I'm not going to be able to show you removing each and every bolt, but I'll try and give you some idea where it is. So as I said there, the big main bolt is roughly here under this stuff there, and then I'm planning to do is not great video, but just sort of go under there and reach out and feel the terminals basically. And with a small ratchet you need 14, 13. Yes, you're going to have some trouble removing this, the 14 one. And again, if you do have ramps and jacks, you can lift up the car as much as possible from the front and lie underneath and sort of remove it then. But at least this tells you where the location is and stuff, so it's quicker to understand how it's removed. So hope this video helps. Give it a like, and we'll see you in another one.